This right here is a love story between rice, veggies, and good seasoning. Every stir is a promise, and every color a whole mood. Let's make fried rice that makes your heart and plate smile. First, I added a bit of butter because why not? Butter adds that extra richness that oil alone can't give. Right after that, I poured in some vegetable oil and let it heat up. In goes the curry powder. This right here, it gives your rice that signature fried rice color and aroma. If you love extra flavor, this is where you can add your minced garlic and ginger, but I skipped that today. I stirred everything gently, then added my already washed rice straight into the oil. Yes, we are stir frying the rice first to give it that bold toasty taste. Once the rice was well coated and looking golden, I poured in some rich chicken broth and added some chopped onions for that extra depth of flavor. I stirred everything together and then added seasoning cubes, salt to taste, and gave it a good mix. And yes, I added thyme, not too much, but just enough to whisper flavor into every grain of rice. It's the little things that matters, and I gave it a good mix. Then added chopped green bell peppers. This step adds flavor and that signature fried rice smell we all know and love. I topped it off with just enough water to cook the rice through, then covered it up and let the magic happen. Minutes later, I opened it up to check, and yes, the rice was perfectly cooked, not soggy, not burnt, just right. Now onto the veggies. In another pan, I added a little bit of vegetable oil and started with my carrots. Give that a quick stir, don't let it soften too much. Then I added my mix of colorful veggies, sweet corn, red bell peppers, green bell peppers, peas, and green beans. Some people add liver at the stage, but I decided to keep it clean and simple. The key here is don't overcook your veggies. Let them keep that fresh bite. I added curry, thyme, seasoning cubes, and a pinch of salt to taste. Once my veggies were ready, I poured them into the cooked rice and gave it a good mix. And just like that, fried rice is served. I scooped some into my plate, topped it off with juicy fried pepper chicken. And that's the plate of joy right there. Whether it's a Sunday lunch, a special celebration, or just treating yourself, this fried rice brings color, comfort, and bold Niger flavor to the table. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tasty and real kitchen vibes. Until next time, keep cooking with love and eating with joy. This is Molaradiva signing out with a happy stomach and a grateful heart. Bye.